So Nick and I came to a place called Gabes. This is one of the stores that have really great prices. And look at this, we have toilet paper. Only it says handkerchiefs, 3-ply, but the sign says toilet paper, TP. And you get this 10-pack. It's marked down from $5 to $2. I don't know what it was prior to that. Oh yeah, I do. $7. It was $7 marked down to $2. And here's how thick the rolls are. I mean, it doesn't look like a lot, and I mean, that's just not us. We're not getting that. We have to use septic safe and all that. But I guess this would do in a pinch. And then we found hand sanitizer. And again, I don't need hand sanitizer. We have enough. But they have this in a liquor bottle. Faber liquors, do not drink. Well, what, then don't put it in a bottle like that. And it looks more like rubbing alcohol because it's just a liquid. It's not a gel. And it's $9. It says compared to 10. And to me, that's just ridiculous. That's a 1-liter bottle. And it's 80% alcohol antiseptic topical solution. I can see that getting spilled more than used. And then we have this one that also looks like it's in a beverage bottle. Faber Distilling. This one is $4. Wow. And then the gallon here is $30. And look at it. It's not even a gel. When, that should be tops, I don't know, 14, comparing to what I get at Sam's Club. But everywhere isn't Sam's Club. I get that. Let me see if there's any other super good deals I can find for you. Not that these are super good deals, but they do have a lot of this stuff. They have a lot of this right here. And we are at the Gabes in Uniontown, Pennsylvania. And Nick's just sticking candy in the buggy while I'm not looking, but it's Hershey. It's Hershey's, I know. You're going to make s'mores. You're going to need graham crackers. You don't want s'mores. You just want the candy. Oh, I see. Okay. He had an orthodontist appointment today, and he definitely has a mask on, just in case you're wondering. I'll just show you this because we're here. I'm not getting these. This is a sample of what they have. They have things that I think $15 is too high priced for that right there. But the MSRP is $32. And normally you find a lot better deals than this. I think it's just because it's patriotic, I suppose. Okay, and this is what we're here for today. We're here for a charger. And I like coming here if I need a charger because we lose them, they break. And it's not that, and we're not breaking them because they're cheap. They're breaking them because we use them. But here, I like this one. It's a 10-footer. It's great for Nick to be able to use in the back seat. And this is for his phone, and it's $4, which is a great deal. Do you like that one better? Let's see. Can I see that one? This one looks like it's not, I mean, it could be as good. I kind of like this one because it looks like it has a braided cable on the outside. So we'll get you this one. And then they've got one like this, which is a 6-foot for $5, but it has 3 different charging ends that you can use. And we have one of these, and yes, you can charge 2 phones of 2 different types at one time. This one is actually all for iPads, though. An iPad and an iPhone. I like, if that had the Droid on it too, that's what I have. You can also find things like this. This is for an Apple Watch. It's a new band. It's $3. Here's
not an Apple Watch.
It's not the watch. It's just the band. Here's some earbuds for $4. I doubt it very much. Here's another one of those chargers with 3 iPads. It charges 3 at once.
Granny, are you coming?
In a minute, bud. We're gonna try this too. I saw this advertised, of course, on the internet. Hold on. Let me see. You put your phone back here and it enlarges it, and I think that's pretty cool. So we're just gonna try that for $5. And this is the other reason we came to get Nick new headset. Do you want a headset or just little earbuds, like those little ones you had? So, and this is $5. These are $5. You like that one?
These aren't for my phone. They're for my Nintendo.
Here's the one I was talking about. So this is $5. It's only a 6-foot cable. but it has 3 chargers. It has my charger, which is the mini USB. It has my son and my husband's, which is the Type C, and it has the iPhone. So I'm gonna pick up another one of these. Okay, so we found this gaming headset with a backlight for $10, and the Phoenix Premium LED light up gaming headset. Universally compatible with Xbox, PlayStation, and PC. We're hoping it works with the Nintendo Switch. Now this one says Nintendo Switch on it, so we're going to get one of these. Nick automatically thinks this one's better because it's in a bigger box and it costs more. Yeah, he actually said that. So in looking around, we found this 10-foot cord for $4, and this package has a 10-footer and a 3-footer for $6. So I think we may get this, and then I'll send Nick home with the 3-footer, or just, I don't know how we're going to do this. But yeah, we generally run out of chargers. And I use these dryer balls, and I've seen them sell for quite a bit of money. But if you come to Gabe's, you get a 2-pack for $2, and I'm not even going to look where they're made, because no doubt they're made in China. They all are. We've got some swim goggles, 2 packs for $2. Sidewalk chalk, 99 cents, similar to what you'd find at the Dollar Tree sometimes. And another thing you can do with chalk, did you know you can take the chalk and then put little pieces of it in your drawer with your tools, and it helps inhibit rust, I think, just by absorbing the moisture maybe. And pop sockets are pretty expensive everywhere, and here you get one for $3. And then here's some toothbrushes. Oh my gosh, I am definitely getting this one for Caleb. I'm getting this for Caleb. Aunt Joy will probably take it and use it and not give it to him. But
I think you should get this bubbles for Caleb.
Bubbles? Oh wow. Okay, let's get those for Caleb.
Or the BD8.
Oh, they have different stuff. They have pretty cool stuff like this too. So let's see, what are the prices? I see it says value $3.99, but here it's $1.49. So we're gonna get him some different things like this. Here's one of those portable backup battery banks. I usually pick up things like this, but I really don't need that because Sam just bought ones that are solar chargeable as well as plug-in chargeable, and I just leave it on the dashboard of my truck, so it's always charged. And this is so funny. They have this beard oil that I'm gonna get for my son because I was just telling him his beard is a little too fuzzy. It's $5 for 2 ounces. Has all kind of oils in it. And then we have a table of fishing supplies. Oh, they have a bell so that you know when the fish are attacking your pole. I guess that's if you want to lay down and while you fish. What is that? That's fishing line, 15-pound monofilament line, $2.99. 100 yards of 10-pound test, $2.99. Nick found a reel. How much are those? 660 yards of 6-pound test. That Zebco is $12.99, and that one is $12.99 as well. And here's some $2.99 pocket t-shirts. They're Gildan brand. A lot of times you will find everything here sometimes is slightly irregular. And if it's not slightly irregular, it's usually left over from last year in another store. And crossing out labels is something they generally do as well. And this is a really nice Carhartt shirt. It's a size large. It's on clearance for $23. And I suppose that's good for a Carhartt shirt. That's probably a really good price. It feels really, really nice. But it seems like all they have are larges. Yep, and that's another thing. They'll have smalls and mediums in men. And I think that most men are probably going to wear larges and extra larges. Although there are larges here, my men are always extra large. That's a 2X, too big for my men. So they do that too. They'll have a, one of my friends used to come in from New Jersey because this was the only place she could find 3Xs for her husband. And you know what? They do have an extra large. I want to see if Uncle Michael wants this for a fishing shirt.
This is a nice blue shirt, Granny.
This isn't a blue shirt. This is green. Take the glasses off.
Oh.
So I think I actually will get that.
Everything's blue. Blue. This is blue. This is blue. This is blue.
It's a relaxed fit, so hopefully it'll fit.
This is blue.
And we have this Huck Performance fabric shirt that looks pretty nice. It looks like a nice summer weight shirt that offers total coverage. It's $25, and it might be worth that, but yeah, I'm not sure I want that. And I see a lot of them are advertised as fishing gear. So it says that its retail value is $65. But I think I would check Sam's Club for something similar first. And here's another Carhartt shirt. Original fit. That one's on clearance for $13. But then again, it's also just a small. You find that, like I said, a lot. And then here's a 4X. Yeah. And then I wanted to check out some shorts for Nick because he's growing like a weed. And here we have $4. It's a good place to come when you just need some clothes for the kids. A lot of times you will find brand name apparel and it's not expensive at all. Look, that's pre-priced $38. So go ahead and go to Kaufman's or Penny's and get that. Of course, that's only an 8. It's $5 here. Okay. I'm looking for things with pockets because Nick likes pockets. So these are, it says 20. We pay $4.99. And he picked out another shirt. I told him no shirts. He has, seriously, 30 or 40 shirts at my house and probably 30 or 40 at his mom's and his house. And then he probably has more at his other grandma's house. I think I'm liking these ones. Yeah, I think these should fit. You're not getting that shirt. No, you're not. You don't need another shirt. Are you crazy?
I really like this one.
I know you really, really like it, but you're not going to wear it because it's long sleeves.
I love them.
So here's some Nike apparel. And I usually like to shop in the summer for the things for going back to school. And here we have some Timberland.
You can't see
And you can see that it says $55 for a 2-piece set.
I found a match.
And here it's, well, that matches, $17, which I kind of feels, well, it's actually not too bad because it's the 2-piecer. And then over here, some more Timberland shirts. And those are $7 just for the shirt. No pants. And this Realtree Mark 20 is $6. And here's some, these feel like swimming trunks, but they're not. They're like maybe just light clothes. $7. I don't see a MSRP. I just like to look at it. If I feel like it's worth it, I get it. This is really nice. I like this a lot. But he does not need any shirts, like I said. His mom's actually going to have to evaluate how many shirts he needs for school because he has just way, way too many. But, I mean, we have family. He has cousins that can wear his hand-me-downs, thank goodness. Here's a pair of shorts. He doesn't wear jean shorts, but $11. I'm just trying to give you an idea of what this store has in stock. And they have a huge men's section, a home section, home decor. And I'm sorry I can't show you any women's apparel because we are actually going to get gone. They have a small automotive department, and they would probably have more automotive back there near home decor and home section. But just in case you haven't ever been to a Gabes or Gabriel Brothers, I definitely recommend that you check them out. Be blessed.